friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today I'm going to set up my gratitude journal using the Tula 12 Books Journal sticker sheet. All right, so we are going to dive right into this. I am going to put you on fast forward through the process, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I'll be using today. So I'm going to be using the Tula 12 journal sticker sheet. I love the sticker sheets. They are so much fun. They come with strips of washi, little strips of washi, lots of different deco for stickers, and then the days of the week. And I'm also going to be pulling some fun scraps out of the Mixed Media DECO kit as well. So let's go ahead and get started. That was pretty easy. So this will be my gratitude layout for April 29th through May 5th. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you were inspired, please like and subscribe. And if you know somebody who would also like to see this, make sure you share it out. Thanks so much, friends, and I'll see you next time.